Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh. I know I have not made a video for a long time, around a month, as I am a computer engineering degree student. So exam further. The exam ended just yesterday. So let's get to the topic, liquid remix Pi for MI1. I have tried many ROMs based on Pi, but I think liquid remix is the best Pi ROM. So let's see the about section. So system, about phone. As you can see, I am on the Liquid Remix latest version. See, Android security patches of 5 December and kernel is 3.18.128 Batman's kernel. That is a inbuilt kernel of Liquid Remix Pi. Currently 4.9 kernel is not so stable. In 4.9 kernel, screen flickers sometimes. Yeah, something like that. So Liquid Remix is based on 3.18. It comes pre-installed with Google camera, Pixel 2 camera. See, as you can see, it is pre-installed. So let's see the features. This ROM is full pack with features. So in settings, we'll first see display settings. See in display settings, you can change the setting dashboard icons. See, currently it is round. Suppose round accent color. See, as you can see. Again we'll change, suppose, to Oreo. As you can see these icons. See, we'll change to Oreo accent. So you can see. But I personally like the default one, that is round. See this one. So here down in additional settings, that is advanced settings, you get option of system theme, that is UI style, then background color for light, dark, black or automatic, accent color. In accent color you get option of many accent colors, say in material palette. See, you get options of many accent colors and user requested. See, you can choose any one of this, but my favorite is this red one, which is applied currently. So here you can also change the OS style. See, currently now it's wavy. See, suppose, see, as you can see, it is wavy. You can change it to, suppose, see, ninja. See, you get a collection of many styles. See, suppose Pokemon style. As you can see. But my favorite is wavy. See, it looks damn good. You can also change the rounded corner radius and rounded corner padding also. You get an inbuilt font manager here. See, from here you can change many fonts without rebooting. See, many fonts. So now let's get to the main settings of LR, that is Liquid Remix. See, in Liquid Lounge, first let's clear the recent. See, in Liquid Lounge, you get many customizations here, many. In ambient settings, you can enable or disable the ambient display, DOS settings, time in state, now playing, etc. In animations, you can choose the activity open, close and many animations. I have selected all to random. You get a new animation every time you open or close. See. And here down, you get a list view animation. I have selected wave right. See. When I scroll down a list, see, it scrolls to right. You can change it to suppose unfold. See, I got a different animation, but I like wave right. So here down you get also option of list interpreter and screen of animation, toast animation, scrolling catchy animation. Next is buttons. Here you can disable or enable the hardware keys, remap the buttons. In gestures, you get many gestures. In AOSP gestures, you get swipe fingerprint for notification and swipe left or right to dismiss notification. Then jump to camera and swipe up for home settings. In app circle, carbon gesture, edge gestures, navigation gesture, pie control, gesture anywhere, 3-finger screenshot, screen off power torch, and double tap to sleep. Then in keyboard you get normal keyboard settings. Next in lock screen, you can change the lock screen shortcuts. You can change the clock font size, clock font style, etc. Date font and date font style. See face auto unlock, pin ripple and unlock fingerprint after reboot. You get many options. Next in miscellaneous, you get activity blacklist, alarm blocker, privacy guard, smart pixels, signature spoofing, pocket detection. Then in notifications, you get blink flashlight on call, disable force close notification. Many options are there. Then in power menu, you can choose the options of power menu. In quick settings, see, you get many options in quick settings too. In the recents panel, you can choose the recents to Oreo or Android Go. See stock, it will change it to Oreo. See, it will change the recents to Oreo type. You can also choose the recents to Android Go. I'll just show you. See this type, Android Go. But I personally like the quick set. That is the Pi inbuilt one. Like that. Next is status bar. See, you get many options in status bar. The best thing is there is no ugly HD symbol. You get a volt icon. As you can see the LTE icon. You can also disable it. See the volt icon. You can disable it from here. So these are the features of Liquid Remix Pi. The battery life here is very good. See, I'll take a screenshot. I've took a screenshot yesterday. As you can see, I got 8 hours of screen on time. 8 hours with a 3000 mAh battery. It's pretty awesome. You can also see the graph. See. So I think Liquid Remix Pi is the best Pi ROM for MI1. So what do you think? How was the video? Tell us in the comment section. If you like the video, smash the like button and do subscribe channel for more awesome videos like this. So we'll be in the next video. Thank you.